Welcome back to News at Noon on ABC 36 News Now.
Hey friends, welcome back in Estill County, and by way of hazard, Melinda Barnett operates Hudson Mill Home Bakery. And she's the reigning Best Home Chef, an award she garnered at the 2023 and the 2024 Lexington Crave Festival.
And it smells like that in our studio right now. She is back with us today to show us how she prepares her award-winning dish and to talk mushroom hunting and the Mushroom Festival as well. Welcome back to the show, Melinda.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
Well,
thank you for making the studio smell so incredible.
This is what I made at the Mushroom Festival last year during a cooking demonstration.
Excellent.
And I'll be doing another one Saturday at 11:30 if anybody wants to stop by. I have no idea what I'm making, but you know.
I'm sure you'll whip up a great dish for everyone too.
So it was a little too early to find mushrooms. I sent my husband out in the hills and he didn't find any. So I had to rehydrate. So this is, if you have to, you can find Morels dehydrated and rehydrate them.
Wow. These right here?
Yep. Those
what are they called?
Morel mushrooms.
Oh, okay.
And so once I soaked them, the other bowl is what they look like once they've been rehydrated.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah.
Now, I'm assuming at the Mushroom Festival they have classes where they can teach folks.
We do have a lot of demonstrations and workshops.
Okay.
The Appalachian Forager, she's going to be there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, tremendous.
So
this is a big part of our history and tradition.
And there's always fresh mushrooms. There's a mushroom market, but they're not sold, but people do bring their mushrooms there.
Okay.
So you can find them. So,
okay, gotcha.
You know.
So walk us through what you're preparing for us today.
So this is a Morel crostini.
Okay.
So I just sliced those. I mixed gourmet mushrooms. I did a shallot, some thyme, some lemon zest.
It smells so good.
Sliced up a baguette, toasted it.
Yeah.
Sprinkle a little goat cheese or Parmesan on there if you like. And this is a beurre monte. It's
a beurre monte?
Yes, it's a butter sauce. Butter and water emulsion.
We were
just a drizzle over the top.
We were just talking about how amazing this butter and water comes together to make this awesome sauce.
And so you add a little butter to boiling water and
so you take this, put it over this little crispy bread. What is it called?
It's a crostini. It's just a French baguette that I sliced and toasted.
So I just take that and kind of just put that over top of them? Okay.
And you can get the French bread at Kroger. You can get the gourmet mixed mushrooms if you can't find Morels. It's still really good to have.
Yeah.
I also brought some homemade hummus that I made.
Oh.
So if you only find like a few mushrooms, you can do something like hummus or risotto or something that, you know, it really spreads.
Little goes a long way through the hummus,
Yes. So I did the homemade hummus. You just, you cook your chickpeas, your garbanzo beans, and a couple garlic cloves, and add a few Morels and puree. A little tahini, little lemon juice.
And so we're going to take these mushrooms, we put them over the little baguettes, and then we drizzle the melted butter and water. We just kind of drizzle that over.
Yep.
Now, why do you add the water to it? I'm curious.
You added you add butter to the boiling water.
Right. And why do you do that?
To create the emulsification.
Yeah.
It's just science.
So it makes it last longer.
You want to add the butter to the boiling water to let it melt, but then you have to lower it down below 180 degrees so it doesn't separate.
So it doesn't burn.
So it doesn't separate.
Also, it burns too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
So gotcha.
This is tremendous, and we have so many snacks here that our team is going to be very, very happy.
Yes, they are.
Melinda, tell us a little bit about why you love mushroom hunting so much, and then the cooking aspect of that too.
Well, I had never been mushroom hunting until my husband took me, and he taught me. And it was something that his grandfather did with him and his father did. And so it's just a tradition. And you have to learn from people that know. So the first time I went, I was like, what am I even looking for? And he said, you'll know when you see it. It doesn't look like anything else. And I said, like that? And it looks cartoonish when you see it in the woods. You see it.
And
here
it's good
they are.
And it's good to learn from people that know, because there are mushrooms that you're not supposed to eat out there too, right?
My grandfather, he foraged a lot too, so I learned from him as well. But
well, you keep racking up the awards.
You do.
Folks want to know how they can access some of these recipes, some of the wonderful food you're making at Hudson Mill Home.
You can find the hummus recipe in the Friends of the Library cookbook, so Estill County Friends of the Library Facebook page.
Excellent.
They'll be set up at the Mushroom Festival. The Mushroom Festival has adorable T-shirts this year.
Featuring Bigfoot.
Bigfoot is mushroom hunting. They're $15 and $20, $20, $25, I think, if plus sizes.
Love it.
But we have free shuttles. Our school I work for Estill County Board of Education. We partner with the festival, so we have shuttles from the high school in West Irvin that drop you off at central office.
Wonderful.
Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We've got the agate show. We got a 5K and a 2K car show.
Nice.
Quilt show at the Mac Theater.
Happening.
An old theater that's been restored, so please just stop by.
And your cooking demonstrations
And music and cooking demonstrations.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot of fun.
It's going to be great.
Yes.
So, well, we really appreciate you coming in and sharing this with us and with our viewers. And we want to encourage folks to check out Hudson Mill Home Bakery because you're really changing the game here with some amazing stuff. So,
Thank you.
Thank you for coming back.
Yes.
It's great to see you.
I'll fix you, Christine.
Oh, that
Here we
sounds
go.
good.
Back with more after this. Stick around.